Welcome back. In this episode we will be doing following. The letter part has to be attached to the zipper and the lining at the same time. These three layers will be stitched together by one common seam, and this is how it looks in section. When we fold the lining down, it will cover the underside of the seam. But at that moment, if we look on the back side of this construction, we will see it like this. The same way we are doing another part. And after both sides are stitched, we will put the lining together and sew it. After we can apply the layer of the silicone reinforcement, attach the D-ring in the right place, and only after that we stitch letter parts together with the lining placed inside. Let's take a look how it's going to work. I do assembly by using a double-sided tape and I apply it on the both letter parts. Next, I assemble it with the zipper. The detail is not supposed to be very close to the zipper's teeth, so the slider can move easily. Next, I do the other letter part. To optimize the working time, I want to assemble both parts at the same time. Then I turn it to the other side and apply the lining. A few words about the lining. It is very wide and open question what is the ideal material for the lining when we are talking about the leather items. Many leather workers think it only needs to be softer leather or suede. Others say it must be something suitable, as often seen in combination with leather. My recommendation is to use the material for lining that you have available and that satisfies your needs for the project. Just be aware that the appearance of the lining follows the look and value of your item and complements it in a better way. While we were talking about lining, we came forward to the sewing machine and started to stitch the assembled parts. Now I put sides of the lining together and stitch along the edge. The next step is to prepare letter parts to the final assembly, and the first thing I do is I scratch edges with the sandpaper to apply the glue. I do it now because the next step is to apply the silicone reinforcement that will be placed pretty close to the edge, and any scratching will not be so easy to proceed. Now the leather strap for the D-ring that we prepared in the previous video can be attached. The process is the same. I scratch the leather surface, apply the glue, press sides together, and after that attach it to the main part in the right place. Once everything is done, I attach both sides of the pouch together. I do pay attention that the lining stays inside these layers and nothing of the lining shows. And now we stitch all together as one. Now we only need to cut and melt the thread and the purse will be complete.